Hello, welcome back to Great Garden Channel. This is the peace lily I bought at a flea market for only $2. The first time I saw it, I was almost certain that no one would ever pay money to take it home. The leaves were wilted, yellowing, and it looked like it had been neglected for a very long time. Today I'm going to try bringing it back to life using a simple method and a few common kitchen ingredients to see whether it can become healthy and green again. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Great Garden so you won't miss more helpful plant care tips. Let's get started. As you can see, the leaves are wilted, yellowing, and look as though the plant has been neglected for a very long time. These are clear signs that the plant is under stress. The first thing I need to do is remove the plant from its pot, gently squeezing the sides of the pot to avoid damaging the roots. Next, carefully separate the roots from the old growing medium by hand. Avoid pulling too hard so you don't break any healthy roots. Then select the plants that still have healthy root systems, green leaves, or new shoots, as these are the ones most likely to recover. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. For plants that have wilted but still have root systems that haven't completely deteriorated, place the roots in a container of clean water and continue observing them. If new roots or new shoots begin to appear after a few days, you can continue nursing them back to health. Otherwise, if there are no signs of improvement, it's best to discard them. Use sterilized pruning shears to remove all yellow, dry, and wilted leaves. Removing these leaves helps the plant conserve nutrients by no longer supporting aging or damaged foliage, allowing it to focus its energy on healthy leaves and new growth. It also improves air circulation, reduces the risk of fungal problems, and creates better conditions for recovery. Next, rinse the selected plants under a gentle stream of clean water. This removes old soil, dust, and debris clinging to the roots while allowing you to clearly distinguish healthy roots from damaged ones for the following steps. Place the plants in a dry, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight and allow them to air dry naturally. This gives any cuts on the roots and stems time to dry, reducing the risk of fungal infection while helping the plant stabilize and recover from handling stress. Next, we'll prepare a solution to help care for the plants. The first ingredient I'm using is garlic. Garlic is a common kitchen ingredient, but it's also widely used as a natural cleansing ingredient for many types of plants. First, prepare 3 cloves of garlic. Crush them thoroughly with a mortar and pestle to release their natural compounds. What problem does your plant struggle with the most this season? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story and help if I can. Next, add 500 milliliters of hot water. Stir well so the water mixes evenly with the crushed garlic, allowing the natural compounds to disperse throughout the solution. Then cover the container tightly with plastic wrap. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience with indoor plants, feel free to post in the community tab of the channel. Let's learn, share, and grow together as plant lovers every day. Let the solution steep for about 2 hours before moving on to the next step. While the solution is steeping, we'll prepare another ingredient to mix into the growing medium. Do you have any eggshells at home? After using eggs, many people simply throw the shells away. However, eggshells are composed mainly of calcium, along with several natural minerals that are beneficial for plants. First, prepare 3 to 5 clean, dry eggshells. Place them in a blender and grind them into small pieces or coarse powder. If you're enjoying these plant care tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, effective gardening advice. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a new video. And let me know in the comments which plant you'd like to see next. Your support helps this channel continue sharing helpful content with plant lovers around the world. Thank you. Once finished, you'll have the crushed eggshell mixture shown in the video. Now, prepare 50% garden soil. Garden soil contains natural minerals and helps retain nutrients, providing a stable foundation for plant growth. Next, prepare 50% coconut coir. Coconut coir has a loose texture that improves drainage, retains moderate moisture, and allows the roots to breathe more effectively. Place the garden soil, coconut coir, and crushed eggshells into a clean container. Mix everything thoroughly using your hands or a small shovel until all the ingredients are evenly combined. Mixing well creates a uniform growing medium, preventing some areas from becoming too compact, while others remain too loose, resulting in a healthier environment for root development. Now, the growing medium is ready. After 2 hours, once the garlic solution has cooled completely, strain out all the solids and keep only the clear liquid. Add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. Place the plant into the garlic solution and soak it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Be sure to immerse the leaves as well, so the solution comes into contact with the entire plant. This soaking process helps clean the plant's surface, supports the reduction of fungi and certain insect pests, and helps the plant recover more effectively after handling or repotting. After about 15 to 20 minutes, remove the plant from the garlic solution and allow it to drain naturally for a few minutes before repotting. Next, prepare a pot like the one shown in the video. This pot has drainage holes at the bottom, allowing excess water to drain quickly after watering, reducing the risk of root rot while improving airflow around the roots. First, spread a layer of the prepared growing medium across the bottom of the pot. This layer helps anchor the roots, maintains moderate moisture, provides good aeration, and creates a stable foundation for the plant to establish itself after repotting. Then place the peace lily in the center of the pot, spreading the roots naturally and keeping the crown level with the rim of the pot without planting it too deeply. Gradually add more growing medium around the roots, filling all empty spaces. Gently press the surface to stabilize the plant, without compacting the growing medium too firmly, allowing the roots enough space to breathe and grow. Comment below and let me know which plant you want me to save next. Your peace lily has now been successfully repotted. With proper care, it will soon become established, produce plenty of new roots, healthy green leaves, and eventually beautiful white flowers. Place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated location away from direct sunlight for 3 days, so it can adapt to its new environment. After 3 days, once the plant has begun adapting to its new surroundings, we'll prepare another solution for ongoing care. Today I'm using rice. Rice consists mainly of starch, along with small amounts of B vitamins and several natural minerals. First, place 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass. Next, pour in 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. Stir gently so the water contacts all of the rice grains. Once the soaking period is complete, strain out the rice and keep only the clear liquid. Finally, add another 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution before use. Now, pour the rice water into a clean spray bottle. Lightly mist the stems, leaves, and surface of the growing medium until the plant is evenly moist. Apply it in the early morning or late afternoon, and avoid spraying while the plant is in direct sunlight. The rice water provides B vitamins, amino acids, and natural minerals that help the plant recover more quickly, encourage new root growth, keep the leaves glossy and healthy, and improve nutrient uptake during active growth. You can also use the remaining solution on other ornamental plants in your garden. Here I'm using it on my Christmas cactus by gently watering around the base. The rice water provides natural nutrients that support recovery, encourage healthy root development, promote thicker, greener foliage, and create favorable conditions for the plant to develop more flower buds, resulting in more beautiful and longer-lasting blooms. Results. After consistently following this method for about 2 months, you'll notice your peace lily becoming significantly healthier. New leaves will emerge continuously, growing larger, thicker, darker green, and glossier than before. Older leaves will also stay green longer and become less likely to yellow or develop brown edges. The root system will produce many healthy white new roots, allowing the plant to absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, resulting in stronger growth and less wilting. When flowering season arrives, the plant will produce more flower buds. The buds will develop evenly and open into large, long-lasting white blooms that keep the plant looking beautiful and full of life. As for the Christmas cactus, after a period of proper care, it will begin producing many new flower buds. The buds will develop evenly and healthily before opening into vibrant, long-lasting flowers during the blooming season. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Great Garden, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future plant care videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.